Italy is offering homes for as little as $1 to help revive small, remote villages that are struggling with declining populations. This incredible deal is not just about cheap houses. It's about bringing life back to historic towns and boosting local economies. Why Italian villages are selling homes for just $1. In many small villages in Italy, young people have been moving away to bigger cities where they can find better jobs. Because of this, the villages are now mostly filled with older people. These towns have become quiet, and the local businesses are struggling since there aren't enough people to keep things running. Many houses have been empty for years, especially some that were left behind after World War II. Some of the older peoples who own these homes don't have anyone to pass them on to, so the houses are given to the local government. That's when a mayor named Vittorio Sgarbi, who is also known for being a bit quirky on TV, had a smart idea. He decided to sell the old, broken-down homes in his town of Salemi for just $1. The plan was to bring new life to these places by letting people buy the homes cheaply, fix them up, and live there. And it worked so well that now more than 30 other towns in Italy are doing the same thing. The best part is, instead of giving these homes to big companies, the towns are letting regular people buy them. This way, the villages stay special and don't lose their charm. It's a creative way to help these towns grow again and give new owners a chance to be part of something real and special. The truth about buying a house in Italy for $1. Buying a house in Italy for just $1 sounds super exciting. But there's more to it than just handing over a coin and getting the keys. These homes are usually very old and haven't been lived in for a long time, so they need a lot of fixing. The towns are hoping that by selling them cheaply, new owners will fix them up and help the area grow again. But before moving in, buyers have to agree to a few important rules. First, they must pay for all the paperwork and legal fees that come with buying a home. Then, within a year of buying the house, they need to show a plan that explains how they'll fix it. After they get permission to start the work, they have to begin fixing the house within 2 months. And to make sure the work gets done, buyers also need to give the town a money deposit. That money is kept safe and given back later if all the work is finished on time. People from other countries can also buy these homes, but they'll need an Italian tax number first, which isn't too hard to get. So even though the house only costs $1, there's a lot more that comes with it. The goal isn't just to sell homes. It's to make the towns lively and full of people again. These steps help make sure that the houses are taken care of, and the villages stay beautiful and strong. How a woman from Chicago turned a $1 house into her dream home. Many people from other countries are interested in buying $1 homes in Italy. Some of them have family roots there and want to feel close to their past. One great example is Meredith Tabone. She's 46 years old and works as a financial consultant in Chicago. Her family came from a small town in Italy called Sambuca di Sicilia. Even though she lives far away and doesn't know the local language, she still buys a $1 home online. That house was very old and broken, but she didn't stop there. Meredith bought more houses in the same area at regular prices to make her home even bigger. She worked hard on fixing everything, even though she was thousands of kilometers away. Her story got very popular on social media. She shared videos on TikTok and Instagram and gained thousands of followers. People loved watching her bring an empty, broken alley back to life. Meredith's story shows how one person with care and effort can bring beauty back to a forgotten place. It also shows that these $1 homes are not just about saving money. They are about starting something new in a peaceful and meaningful place. Do people really buy $1 homes in Italy? Yes, people really do buy these €1 homes in Italy, and many of them are from different countries. This idea has caught a lot of attention around the world. One town that shows how well it can work is Musamili, a small place in Sicily. After World War II, it had a small population of about 10,000 people, and many homes were left empty. But things started to change when the town joined the $1 house plan. Many people, especially from other countries, came to buy homes there. The town became more lively and the local economy started to grow again. Shops got more customers and builders got more work fixing up the old houses. The mayor of Catania said that around 250 homes were sold to people from 18 different countries. Some buyers even brought their families or started small businesses. More tourists started visiting to learn about the deal and see if it was right for them. Because of this new interest, Musamelli even got support from the Italian government and the European Union. The $1 deal really helped bring this little town back to life. And now, many other towns in Italy are hoping to do the same. Each village has something different to offer, like the food, the views, or the way of life. So, if someone is thinking about buying a home, it's good to learn what makes each place special. This way, they can find the town that feels just right for them. The real cost behind Italy's $1 houses. It might sound amazing to get a house in Italy for just $1, but there's a lot more to it. The houses are usually very old and need a lot of work to make them safe and comfortable to live in. When someone buys one, they also agree to fix it up. That's where the bigger costs come in. A woman named Rubia Daniels bought 3 $1 homes in the town of Musamelli in 2019. She finished fixing up one house and is still working on the other two. The repairs got delayed because of COVID-19, but she's slowly getting back to it. So far, she has spent at least $35,000 just on renovations, and she expects to spend more. Fixing these homes can cost between $20,000 and $50,000, depending on how damaged they are and how big they are. Even though that sounds like a lot, it's still a good deal for many people, especially for those who live in countries like the US, where homes can cost over $280,000 before even thinking about repairs. While the dollar sign might grab attention, what really matters is the full cost of bringing the house back to life. Still, many people feel it's worth it not just for the price, but for the chance to enjoy a slower, more peaceful life in a beautiful Italian village. You get to walk the quiet streets, enjoy local food, and feel part of a small, warm community. For many, that's the real reward. Things to know before buying a $1 house in Italy. Buying a house for $1 in Italy sounds exciting, but there are a few things you should know first. It's not super hard, but it's not super easy either. Just like buying any house, it's a big step and needs careful planning. First, you have to be able to travel to Italy. You can't just buy a house by looking at photos. It's important to walk through the house, see the town, and learn what rules each place has. Every town has its own list of what you need to do. Next, you have to make sure you can talk with the people helping you. If you don't speak Italian, it's a good idea to hire a translator. That way, nothing gets confusing. Another big part is the renovation. Most of these homes are really old and need a lot of fixing. If you live far away, you'll need to find a way to manage the work from overseas. It takes time, and things don't always go as planned. But even with the hard work, this deal can be worth it. It's not just about saving money. You get the chance to help bring life back to small towns, fix up beautiful old homes, and enjoy the charm of Italian villages. It's a different kind of dream, and for many people, it's a dream worth chasing. Buying a $1 home in Italy offers a unique opportunity to restore historical properties and breathe life into charming villages. While the process requires effort and investment, the rewards of contributing to a community and living in a peaceful, beautiful place make it worth the adventure. Would you consider taking on a $1 home project in Italy? If you like this idea, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more exciting updates.